Hi guys, and welcome back to day 8 of YOGATOBER. My name is Sorsha and this is the space between. So for today's video we're doing a vibrant for Vata. Ayurveda teaches us that autumn is a Vata season, so we're more likely to feel a little bit spacey. It really embodies that kind of airy quality, and Vata is really concerned with movement. So for some of us, we might feel a little bit flummoxed, a bit all over the place, and also some of us just might want to hibernate. I know I had like a little period of time where the seasons were changing and I just wanted to sleep all the time. So if that's how you're feeling at the moment, we really want to create a bit of an internal fire, and we want to find some grounding there too. So I've done a few videos already on grounding. And there will be elements of that in this video today. We're really focusing on creating a bit of a fire in the core. And the beauty of this video is that you can either just do this one as a little short ditty practice, or you can combine it with tomorrow's video and do a little bit of a longer video. So it's up to you. Thank you so much as well for sticking with me. Apologies that I didn't upload this video yesterday. I had just had a little bit of a crazy day, and last week unfortunately I was sick, so my whole schedule for filming got completely knocked out because I couldn't film at all. So I was very thankful that I had already pre-recorded at least a week's worth of videos for you guys. So my voice is coming back, and I can almost breathe through my nose now, so I hope you guys are feeling good. This is also a perfect time to say as well, please make sure as you're practicing this through, it is a month long, so just enjoy the practices. Some days you're going to feel more energetic than others. I couldn't even imagine filming this last week. I was so tired, and it's not even anything crazy. I just felt so exhausted. So really listen to your body. If you need a day off, you need a day off. If you want to do one of the meditations, if you want to just play it in the background and just chill, feel free to. That's absolutely perfect. So enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Okay then guys, so we are going to begin in a comfortable seated position, preferably with the legs crossed, and we're going to begin with 3 Kali breaths. If you don't know what a Kali breath is by now, check out my other video. I think I want to say day 4 or 5. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So we're going to do 3 Kali breaths. So we're going to take a big breath in, and then as we breathe out, we're going to go like a big lion, okay, also known as lion's breath. So we're going to start with 3 of those bad boys. Closing your eyes, ground down in the hips, nice and tall in the spine, roll the shoulders back. Big breath in through the nose and breathe out for Kali breath. Getting rid of anything that no longer serves us. And we're going to take a big breath in as we do so. We're going to rock down towards the left to keep the tailbone on the ground. Exhale, rock it all the way back like a cat position. Other way. Beautiful. We're going to come into tabletop position. That Sufi grind that we just did by the crossed legs is really great if you have lower back problems. I really healed my lower back earlier this year when I pulled something, did something to one of my muscles. Okay, so cat-cow positions. We're going to go dip in the belly, lifting the head all the way up, lift that chin up. Big breath in, and then we arch the back like an angry cat, pushing everything in contact down into the mat. Breathing in through the nose for cow position. And exhale for cat. Once more on your own. Then we're going to reach that left hand out, reach the right leg out. Big breath in, reach, 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 and then exhale, elbow to knee. Nice and strong in a grounding hand and foot. One more time. release. Opposite way. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Good, bring the hands and leg down, curl the toes, lift and hover the knees. Big, deep, full belly breaths. And then rising up, downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here, maybe pedal it out if you're feeling a bit stiff this evening or this morning. And then breathe. Taking one big breath in, and then as we breathe out, we're going to do Kali breath, so stick the tongue out. Big breath in. Beautiful. Really reach out with that right hand, and we're going to bring the left arm and hug it towards, hugging the hand behind the right calf. And a little bit of a twist here. Make sure you don't dump all the weight into one side of the body, so try and keep it nice and pressed down in both those feet. Lovely, and then release. Nice, we're going to do the same on the other side. So this time we're going to reach with the right hand towards the left calf. And twist. Lovely. Finding your downward dog once more. Deep belly breaths. And we're going to lift the left leg. And then we're going to hover into a high plank. Bring the left knee towards the right elbow. Reach it all the way up. And then we're going to swing it all the way forwards, coming into a high lunge. Soften the shoulders. Big breath in, and then as we exhale, we open up that back foot onto the knife edge, warrior two, bend the front foot. Tuck the tailbone under. 2 breaths. Start to lengthen that front leg. Reach towards the front and then, oh, click, that's my hip. Always feels really good when my hip clicks. And we're gonna reach towards the calf with that hand. Reach up. Nice and strong in the side body. Trikonasana triangle pose. Lovely, we're going to bring the hand that's near the ground right onto the ground, bending that front knee. Reaching up. Lovely, windmill that hand down next to the other hand. Pivot onto the ball of the back foot. And then reach up with the other side. Bit of a twist here. Engaging the core. Feeling a bit of fire this morning or this evening. Lovely, bring that hand down. This time we're going to step it forwards, pedal it out so we've got a forward fold. Find some softness here. Bend the knees generously if you need to, guys. Lovely, bend the knees, brushing the hands. Lifting up to chair pose, Utkatasana. Tuck the tailbone under slightly here. Squeezing the knees towards each other, there's still a gap. Bring the hands to the heart center. Bring the left elbow over towards the right knee. Square the knees, nice and long, all the way to the crown of the head. Push the hands together, encouraging the shoulders to open. We're going to reach all the way up. And then back down. Lovely, roll the shoulders out a little bit here. Lovely, bring the hands to the hips, roll the shoulders back and down, then pivot all the way from the hips, forward fold. Take a moment here. Find that breath. This time we're going to step back with our right leg. Coming into, no, sorry, we're not. We're going to step back with the right leg. We're going to come into downward facing dog, sorry.
Getting a bit ahead of myself there. So downward facing dog. Let's breathe in for Kali breath, lion's breath, big breath in. Good, we're gonna lift the right leg and we're gonna hover into our high plank and bring that knee towards the left elbow. And then bring it all the way back up. And then bring it down this time, stepping it forwards, nice, brave, strong as we come into our lunge. And then our warrior. Tuck that tailbone under, bend the front knee. Reach forwards, and then lengthen that front knee. There goes my hip again. And then we're going to find our triangle pose. So try not to dump weight into the lower leg. If you need to, you can tilt so that your foot at the back is, so the toes are facing slightly further, more towards the front. So I'm really breathless because I'm still a little bit bunged up from my cold. Feeling more energized today, so hence this video. Okay. Lovely, let's bring that hand all the way down to the inside of the front foot, bend the knee. Windmill that hand down, pivot onto the ball of the back foot and lift the right arm up. Bring that hand down, stepping it through, forward fold. Have a little pedal out, have a little shimmy, shake, whatever feels good for you this evening or today. Lovely, gonna bend those knees. Utkatasana, chair pose. Tuck the tailbone. Open the shoulders, relax. Bring the hands to heart center. Bring the right elbow this time over the left knee. Square the knees. Twist. Push the palms together to create some space in the shoulder blades. Reaching all the way up. And then down. Have a little shimmy shake. And then, just for this last bit, we're going to come all the way down to the ground. And then either you can have your feet so that the soles of the feet are on the ground. You could have your feet so that they're relaxed, like so. You can even stick a pillow underneath, a pillow underneath your knee. At least a knee under your pillow. You can stick a pillow underneath your knee to give you a little bit of softness in the lower back if you get any pain there. Shimmy out the shoulders. Close the eyes. You can even maybe bring the hands to the belly, maybe feel a bit of heat. And just let the body become nice and heavy. Just allowing with these big breaths to really let the body melt down into the mat. I'd encourage you, if you have 5, 10, 15, even longer minutes spare, to just stay here for a little bit. Letting yourself ground down after creating a little bit of fire, a bit of heat in the body. Bring the hands to the third eye. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful session on your mat, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much. Namaste.